A battery-powered locomotive manufactured by China Railway Rolling Stock Corporation, Dalian Corporation Limited, was tested in Bangkok on Wednesday. The locomotive, the first of its kind that CRRC made for Thailand, is expected to contribute to the country's green efforts. At the testing ceremony, Thai Transport Minister Saksayam Chichop said that Thailand is encouraging the use of renewable energy in the country's transportation system. He also spoke highly of the cooperation between Thailand and China in the railway sector. According to CRRC Dalian, the battery-powered locomotive was developed for passenger and general freight based on Thailand's original locomotive platform. The 6XL locomotive can hold 2,500-ton freight trains at 70 km per hour or 1,000-ton passenger trains at 100 km per hour.